Here we are in a beautiful Lake Havasu City morning, looking at a very nice Concours restored 1956 Ford Fairlane Sunliner Convertible. Walk around and tell you about it like we usually do. Resting on a body off frame style restoration. Finished in its factory colors, the Colonial White. Mandarin Orange top here. Beautiful color combination. We'll get to the inside and cover that for you. Firestone white radials on it. These are bias ply. This particular car in the trunk, and we'll cover that when we get to that video, has a step back and let you take a look at it. Hopefully I won't get run over. About the time I back up, somebody comes up. Either way, that's pretty much the way it goes. In the trunk, it has a show board, a Ford Preservation show board in the back that dates from 2004 all the way up to 2009. Odometer on the car is about 1,300 miles. I'm going to say that's probably original since it was restored. Driven to shows, that type of thing, and either driven to local shows or possibly trailered to distant ones. Starts wonderfully, runs great. Everything works on it, has a power top. Color combination is very nice. You see all the bright work's been done, polished bright work. I couldn't even imagine what it takes to bring a car to this level as far as expense wise. You'll see the Fairlane script on the grill here. Underneath the hood is a factory M code 292 V8. Thunderbird V8. Want to make sure to get that in there. 4-barrel V8, automatic transmission. It has factory power steering, factory power brakes, all factory on the bottom side, like we talked about, body off frame restoration. We'll have it up on the lift here shortly for you, shortly after I do this video. I'll get it over to the shop. Body color, undercarriage, finished off chassis, black. Very, very nice car. We've had the top up and down. We did a photo shoot with the top up. We've covered all that for you. And we'll have all the videos of that. We actually have a video of the top raising up and going down to its current position. Tonneau cover. There's a car cover. We'll get you in the trunk. Door jamb to door jamb. Very nice. Nice quiet morning here in Lake Havasu. We often get jet skis, but today we're not getting that. Ford Crestmark body. Doors shut very nice. Dash, you'll see it's finished in the Mandarin Orange, and all the trim and door jambs are Mandarin Orange. This is, I'll get the code out of my pocket here. It's correct according to the data tag on it. It's a code EN paint, Colonial White, Mandarin Orange. It has a vinyl interior BG, which is white and orange, which is correct. We'll get over and show you the data tag on the other side there. Lift the seat up, let you take a look here. There's a pair of fuzzy dice. If you want to hang them on the mirror. Prior to this owner, it was a lady-owned car that was loved and enjoyed. Kind of get you a good feel there how beautiful the body is on this. Again, we'll get to the undercarriage here. All the bright work's very nice. Kind of give you the view of the interior from the back here. Wanted to share it with you top down, but again, we will have top up photos at spudsgarage.com to give you an idea. It has a white top. Wonderfully presented. We don't test the radios, but look at this. This has got the little Lexan style antenna on it. See the bright work here in the back seat. Door jamb to door jamb. Here's the data tag 76B, which is a Fairlane Sunliner Convertible. We'll have a picture at This Is Pud's Garage and go all the way through it. The EN is the Colonial White and the Mandarin Orange, and the BG is the interior, the white and orange interior vinyl. We don't test the radios. It's probably an old tube style radio anyway. You have to put it in neutral to, and I've already done that because I did a start on it when I did the engine, but we'll put it in neutral to start it. Kind of go over the gauges here with you. Starts up instantly. The oil generator light goes out. Temp gauge is center and back. They drove it down here. Fuel gauge is a little bit low on fuel. Has heat. Wipers on. These are vacuum wipers, so they just parked. Headlights on. Again, power brakes, powerful steering. You'll see the power steering here. Nice. Alright, get you underneath the hood. Very nice. Just like the rest of the car talked about during the walk around. Nice level of restoration. Preservation Award. Like we talked about, it's an M-Code 292 V8 in its factory style presentation. Has nice options on it, something you'd want to have on a car like this, which is factory power steering and factory power brakes. See clear windshield washer bottle here. You'll see factory exhaust manifolds, fuel filter here. Looks like it has an updated carburetor underneath it, which is a good idea. Like a Holley 4-barrel on there. Starts and runs wonderfully. We'll fire it up here for you. You'll see all the wiring is correct in its presentation that way. So non-modified, beautiful restoration on this one. You can buy all these trim OK decals, that type of thing in. March build date here. Correct battery or battery topper on it. I didn't get into detail there. Thunderbird V8. Again, 292 M code. We'll start it up here for you. See the finish on the front of the core support there. Bottom side of the hood finished in the Mandarin Orange. All right, we're going to get in and start it up for you. Like we mentioned, it runs wonderfully. You need to set the emergency brake. Put it in neutral to start it. Part of the design. Starts right up. Purrs. Very nice. All right, while they're putting the top down all the way, I'll cover the trunk here for you. bag for the tonneau cover, car cover, Preservation Award plaque board from 2004 to 2009. You can see how it's a complete restoration. Spare and jack. Bottom side of the deck. There you go. Okay, a short little video clip with the sun shining on it. Okay, we're going to take it for a little spin here and kind of share that with you. We're not going to really get up to any speed, but it steers easy. Nice and quiet. Definitely the kind of car you can show and drive. Brakes feel nice. All right, we got this 56 Fairlane Sunliner up on the lift. Do the walk along the side here and kind of give you an idea of view. Bias ply tires, factory style. They do make radial reproductions for those if you want to put those on. Skirts. And we're just going to transition right into the undercarriage here for you. We'll get you the bottom side. As we talked about, it's a factory style Concours restoration, Preservation Award winning car. Got a little light on the subject here for you. I'll get to the rockers. Refinished chassis. Here's the power steering on it. Does have power drum brakes on it. Get the rockers here for you, or the underbody here. Factory style exhaust, mufflers, nice and quiet. This thing runs good. We're doing this post inspection or after I'd inspected it. We think you get the idea here. KYB period style shocks on it. I don't see any no visible prior repairs as far as panels go. So nice restoration. Take you one more pass back through. Reverse direction. Thanks for coming to Spud's Garage. Have a great day. Keep going straight.